Hi guys, welcome to Maths Cubed. Today we'll be solving the fourth question, the D part. Sorry about that. I will be solving the D part, which is mainly focusing on the transformation that we learned back in P1 and P2. So these are the basics we have to remember. So the question is, the graph with equation y equal to f of x is transformed onto the graph with equation y equal to af bracket x minus b. The vertex of the graph with equation y equal to af to the bracket into the bracket x minus b is 6 and 3. Given that a and b are constants, find the value of a and the value of b, which holds 2 marks. So 1 mark for a and 1 mark for b. Pretty fair. So what we can do is we know basically this, the f of x, the vertex of f of x is 2 and 21. If you don't know how, so what you can do is basically leave this stuff out and 2 minus x in. So if, wait, let me turn it, 2 minus x equal to 0 will give us next value of 2, okay, and plugging in 0 there will give us a y value of 21. So 2 to the 21 is the original vertex of f of x, and now they say that this vertex has changed to 6 and 3. So we need to find out these values. The a value is a vertical stretch basically, and this value is a horizontal stretch. Always these affects the y value and this affects the x value. So what can be the value which determines or which stretches 2 to 6 and 21 to 3? There can be only one explanation for going from 2 to 6 is a value of 4. 4 points. So b can be 4, and whereas a from going 21 to 3 is a division form which is of, I guess, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So if you clearly focus, if we plug in 1 upon 7, that will clearly give us 21, and x minus 4 which will give us 2. So uh, a value is 1 upon 7, and the function looks like 1 upon 7 x minus 4. So this will hopefully be the answer. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.